Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says here, which one of the following life cycle stages of Wuchereria bancrofti is infective to man? Wuchereria bancrofti. So then, and which life cycle is is infective to man? So as we know, the life cycle of Wuchereria bancrofti, life cycle bancrofti, this starts when it starts when a male and female, they both mate inside the inside the lymphatic vessels of an infected human, and the female, at the time the female release thousands of microfilaria, release thousands of microfilaria filariae into the bloodstream, and when the host is awake, and when the host is awake, the microfilaria tends to stay in deep blood vessels. So they tends to sleep, or stay in deep blood vessels, and during the sleep they travel near the surface of the peripheral blood vessels. So this is the awake time, and when they sleep, during the sleep they travel near the surface of the peripheral blood vessel. They travel near the surface of peripheral blood vessels. Peripheral blood vessel. And this behavior enables them to get ingested by the night biting mosquito. So for that this type of behavior enable them to get ingested by the night biting mosquito, night biting mosquito. And when they ingested by the mosquito, then microfilaria, they migrate through the midgut. So that microfilaria they migrate through the midgut, that is eventually reaching to the thoracic muscle. So they reach to the thoracic muscles, and within 1 to 2 week, 1 to 2 week, they mature into the first stage of the larva, and they eventually into the third stage of the infective larva. So then eventually they come to the third stage of the infective larva, and that migrate through the hemocoel, through the hemocoel to the mosquitoes proboscis, to mosquitoes proboscis. And the and at that time, when the mosquito bite to the another person, then the larva is injected to the human skin, and they migrate to the lymphatic vessel and mature in the adult. So what is that infective, when they infective to man, that is in the third stage. So that it is the infective stage. That means which one of the following life cycle stage of Wuchereria bancrofti infective to the man. So this is infective to the man, proboscis. Infective to the man, that is the third stage. That means in this stage they get infected to the another person, that is that they transferred to the another person through the mosquito. So this is the correct answer, that is through the mosquitoes proboscis. So option B is correct of this question, that is third stage of the larva. I hope you understood. Option D is correct. I hope you understood it. Till best of luck.